Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to blur faces in Canva, even if you're completely new to it. Whether you're creating content for social media or protecting someone's privacy in your designs, this trick is going to save you a lot of time. First, let's start with the simplest method. Select the image you want to edit, then click on Edit Image. From there, look for the blur tool. Once it's activated, you can paint directly over the face you want to hide. The best part? You can adjust the intensity of the blur until it looks just right. This method gives you precise control and works perfectly for individual faces or small areas. If you want a more creative approach, Canva also lets you use blur shapes from the Elements tab. Just go to Elements, search for a blur or translucent shape, and add it to your design. You can resize it, move it around, and adjust the transparency or blur effect to cover the face seamlessly. This is especially handy if you're working with multiple faces or want a consistent blur style across your design. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make sure faces are blurred quickly and professionally without needing any advanced software. So next time you're editing in Canva, remember these tips. They make blurring faces easy, fast, and completely stress-free. Give it a try and see how clean your designs can look.